So let us see what are the different transitions at the corners. So this is again quite similar to the round feature. We have to select the chamfer and generate chamfer at 3 edges. Maybe I can add a new set and another new set. So I have chamfer ready over here and I have the intersection point over here. So I can go to transition and select. Let me turn on the transition mode first. Let me select the corner, and by default it is intersect. If you are wanting to change it, you can change the behavior to, for example, patch, and you can see the corner has been changed. So you can also click on this icon over here, which will help us to see how does the feature looks like, and when we are satisfied with it, we can simply press play button and OK. So we have the corner ready with us. So this is again quite similar to the rounded feature what we have, and this depends on the number of edges we are having and the dimensions of each edge what we have assigned using the chamfer command. Let us discuss further. Before that, let me just edit the geometry a little bit.